Bitcoin Cash could dip 3.3% by July 6, digital coin price indicates. To start off, here's where the market currently stands. Bitcoin Cash has posted a 5.6% increase today and is now near the $239.30 level. Let's move on to analysts' forecasts. The price might reach $243 tomorrow, 30 rate says. That would be about 1.6% above current value. Bitcoin Cash might move down to $236.71 per coin lore. That's about 1% lower than now. According to Coin Codex, it could test $235.83 on the way down, a decrease of about 1.4%. A different projection from Digital Coin Price sees Bitcoin Cash dropping toward $231.25, a decrease of about 3.3%. And in closing, Gov Capital Collector sees the price dipping to $228.61 by tomorrow, 4.4% below where it is now. This is the strongest return scenario we've reviewed. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. Forecasts reviewed. Here's what each implies in figures. The forecast range now stands between a drop of 4.4% and a rise of 1.6%. As a result, Gov Capital Collector is expected to post the highest return with 4.4% growth in value by tomorrow. All in all, you could net between $10 and $44 for every $1,000 you invest. From a probability standpoint, CoinLore is ahead with a 92.9% chance of success. Taking all the forecasts together, I've mapped out a consensus outlook. According to the consensus, Bitcoin Cash may retreat roughly 1.7%. Alright, let's drill into it. Consensus estimates reveal a 1.7% decline in price. That development suggests your capital could also gain by around 1.7%. For every 1,000, that could suggest a potential increase of $17. According to the consensus assessment, the odds of this projection being realized are near 90.3%. Here we go. Let's see what kind of short-term moves analysts are forecasting across the 3-day period. In line with this, 30 rates projects continued growth. CoinLore suggests Bitcoin Cash will move in a narrow range. Coin Codex anticipates Bitcoin Cash heading south. Additionally, Digital Coin Price points to further downside potential. Additionally, Gov Capital Collector points to a bearish path. The consensus supports an outlook of Bitcoin Cash moving higher. So, the majority of analysts expect Bitcoin Cash to move lower in the coming days. 2 days ago, 5 forecasts were made. Now we'll see how close they came. As a result, the price ended the day at $236.20. The outcome showed that only a minority of forecasts were correct about the direction. The most precise forecast belonged to Traders Union. Now for the details. Just one analyst's forecast matched the candle's span. Speaking of ROI, some predictions turned profitable, but Coin Codex topped the list. And now take a look at the table, all verified results together. As for Traders Union, the data shows 2.3% ROI and accuracy. Take a moment to check who's been the most consistent so far. Let's shift to the comparison of tomorrow's projected gains calculated from consensus data. Bitcoin Cash doesn't reach the top this time, as Zcash shows the best potential profitability of 3.6%. At the moment, Bitcoin Cash is reviewed with 4 cryptocurrencies, but a full comparison featuring many others is already live on my website. If you like seeing what's moving before the rest of the market, hit subscribe. Take care and see you in the next one.